Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create a scrolljack animation in Webflow. So what I mean by scrolljack animation is this. So this is my portfolio website, and if you scroll down enough, you will see these elements are floating like the editorials in a fashion magazine. So this is called scrolljack animation. So let me show you how I have achieved this. So here we have an container. You can use any container. And what I have done, I have put it to relative 0%. One thing you should note that we should be having a height of parent container and number of elements into 100 VH. For example, I have 6 items. So I have put 6 into 100 VH. So if you have 8 items, you can do 8 into 100 VH, or if you have 4 items, you can do 4 into 100 VH, like that. Now we have the sticky where all the magic is happening. So I have put it as at sticky and 100 VW, and the height is kept to 100 VH because we are scrolling a whole screen. Okay. Now we have all the items inside our sticky element, and we have item number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of them are absolute at 0. So let me show you. So these are the absolute positions for them, and I have put the z index of each item in increasing order. For example, item 1 has 1, item 2 has 2, item 3 has 3 z index, item 4 has 4 z index, item 5 has 5, item 6 has 6, so on. Now let's go to animate. So I am using the interaction on the sticky, not the container. So I have used the interaction while scrolling in view. Now I have created the animation. So what this animation is doing, we are creating the animation while scrolling on view on the sticky items, but we will be applying animation to the individual items. So I selected item 1. So initially I have put it the opacity to 0, moved it a little bit somewhere. You can do it on your own. There is no need to copy me. You can make any kind of random moves, or you can play with it as long as you want. I also wanted some rotation, so I have put it rotation. And you should note one thing, I have divided the whole timeline into 6 equal slots, so that after each interval of scrolling, each of the items should come one by one. For example, if you have 8 items, you can divide into 8 slots. Now this is for item 1. So while I am scrolling through 15%, now we have the item 1. It is going to move to a certain level. Now we are going to reveal the item 1. Okay, this is our item 1, and we are going to rotate it also. So that is what I have done. Similarly for item 2 at 15%, it is going to be 0, because since we are revealing all the items one by one, so I have put the opacity to the 0, and I have moved it some random place. The XY values are random, just random. You can put any value here, whatever suits you, but make sure that you do not cross the boundary of the parent element. What will happen that you will get a horizontal scroll, right? Okay. Now we have the item 2, which is getting revealed after the when the third item is going to be have 0 opacity. So this is how I am revealing all the items. So I hope you get the logic, and we have put an ease out to add little drama to our scroll. For example,